Did you know orange peels can be beneficial for the skin in several ways, as they contain various nutrients such as vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential oils, which can contribute to healthier skin? Orange peels are rich in vitamin C, which can help brighten the skin and reduce dark spots or blemishes, where rubbing the inside of an orange peel directly onto your skin or using orange peel powder mixed with a carrier oil or even rose water can promote a brighter complexion. Let me teach you today about making a quick and easy orange face mask. So you want to take and save an orange peel. Hold it for a few days until it dries up so that you can ground it into powder. So here we have our ground orange peels. We're going to mix some rose water with this and make it into a little bit of a paste to apply to our face as a face mask. This will help with acne, clearing the skin, and providing a lot of nutrition. So we're going to now make the orange peel paste, for which we're going to use a little bit of orange peel. The orange ground peel. And you can use gulab gel, or which is rose water. You can get this at some grocery stores, or you can order it online. Okay, enough to create a paste. And there you have your little orange face mask. You're going to spread this over your face and skin. Avoid the eye area and the lips. You can add a little bit more water if you think it's a little too thick. I'm just going to add a few more drops. There, and it's ready. After you grind the orange peel into powder, mix it with some rose water, apply it to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then gently wash it off with cool to warm water. And you're done, and you're radiant. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up.